Here in western New York today, we're going to have a near miss. And I'm not talking about a swing and a miss, I'm talking about a near miss with snow. So we'll track that for you. I want to show you the Wilson Harbor cam, and I dropped the banner off this if you missed this earlier on. See the moon just streaming by there over the last 2 hours. Thing that's showing you also is that we don't have too much cloud cover in the area, especially along, say, the Niagara frontier. Over the last couple of hours, though, we're starting to see a few more clouds building in. And the fact that we were, let's say, mostly cloud-free for a little bit longer has allowed some of the cooler temperatures we're finding pretty much anywhere in western New York to be right here. Up towards Pendleton, the Gasport area, did see a 4 up there. Lockport at last check was 10, 10 in Williamsville, 12 in Grand Island. So you're finding some cold temperatures, but compared to yesterday, this is nothing. I mean, we had almost all of us were in the negative side of things yesterday. It's 10 in Orchard Park right now. Colden coming in at 13. Wider view of the area, you notice some of the warmer numbers, or milder, slightly milder numbers, down towards Wellsville, Coudersport. That really has to do with the fact that here, some of the areas that generally would cool off more had clouds in place earlier. Acts like a blanket overnight and slows down that cooling process. And here's what it looks like on the satellite and radar. Radar coming in quiet across western New York this morning, but you see kind of the edge of the thinner clouds right along, say, southern Ontario. But head to the south and east, a little bit better cloud cover. And if you go far enough off to the east, you're going to find a few light snow showers. So I want to show you the VividCast model because I talked about that near miss. If you're traveling, especially over towards Rochester or eastward today, you're likely to drive through some snow by this afternoon. Here's the model starting at 9 a.m. Most of the snow well to the southeast, and we just get clipped, especially along the eastern counties. Can't rule out a few flurries into Cattaraugus County, but am expecting eastern Allegheny, down into Potter, eastern portions of Wyoming, and even Genesee counties picking up just under an inch of snow today. But notice how that line is on the model. Most of it well to the east, and you're going to see a big difference in the amount of snow from western New York to eastern. Nothing in Buffalo to about a foot in New York City. We're right on the edge. Here's a look at the snow into Friday morning. Valentine's Day likely to bring at least a few light snow showers. That's our next best chance for just about an inch or less, even around Buffalo itself. And Saturday, another quick disturbance rolls through with another about an inch or so worth of light nuisance snowfall. So nothing big at least showing up for us here in western New York. Here's a look at the forecast itself. I want to show it this way because you see at least through, say, Friday evening, this includes even that light snow for tomorrow, just some very minor amounts in and around the city. Better chances when you combine today and tomorrow to get a couple inches at best across the eastern edge of our area. So I'm mentioning that near miss. I mean, this is how close it is. There's western New York. We saw the breaks in the clouds to the north and west, but this is a high impact system. We've already seen all the activity down in the south, southeast, hundreds of thousands without power. Get down over towards, say, D.C., Philly, New York. There, we're dealing more with the snow side of things. And even west of D.C., not out of the question to pick up over a half foot of snow, about a foot for New York City. And some of this, again, is going to be dragging moisture in from the Atlantic Ocean. Think lake effect, but apply it to the ocean. Similar idea. We're just on the edge. So here's what it looks like in the VividCast model. When I say near miss, I mean this thing moves up the east coast and leaves us just on the outer fringe of some of those lighter snow showers. And that's why I was talking about it, especially for some of the eastern counties today. So for most of us, the most noticeable thing will be the milder temperatures, mid to upper 20s across the area later tonight, dropping back to about the mid-teens. And when you get into tomorrow, that's our next chance for just some of those light snow showers. We're likely to be tracking some of those likely by this time tomorrow morning.
And still ahead here, we're going to take a look at some of the incredible images coming in from all of the snow and ice that you've been talking about hitting down south and on the east. It is a huge mess. So we'll show you what's happening.